We've all heard about dodgy stories of dodgy pool builders and poor workmanship and equipment going wrong and having to call some weird country and be on hold for 4 hours only to get absolutely nowhere, right? We've all heard of those stories. And we give so much money over to a builder to build our pool, to build our dreams, and we expect a certain level of craftsmanship. And we also expect the best equipment that's going to go into our pool to run the thing once it's up and running. So what can you do to help safeguard your investment and make sure you're getting the right people to build your pool? Well, that is an easy answer. You need to make sure that you're choosing a builder as part of the Elite Builder Network.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat.
Nothing pleases me more than to come and visit a brand new sparkly showroom like this. And Grant, you're from Dynamic Pools, mate. Congratulations, this place is looking beautiful. Well done.
Oh, thanks, Bart, and good to see you again. Welcome to our little slice of paradise up here on the Northern Rivers. And this showroom has been a work in progress for a couple of months. A lot of time and effort and energy, but thought went into it. And we really wanted to create a space for customers to come and really have an exceptional experience.
And it's not easy to grow a pool company with so much going on in the world at the moment, with cost of living and all dodgy operators and things. Like, to be able to run a business well and then successfully and then brilliantly like this, it's no mean feat, so well done.
Thank you. Yeah, reputation is everything.
Yeah. So I want to talk to you about the Maytronics Elite Builder Network, because there's a bit of confusion in the market about what it actually does, but when you get your head around the benefits for the customer at the end of it, it is such a great idea. Give me the lowdown. Okay.
Maytronics come up with a program, try and bring like-minded builders together and put a little bit of a certification process in place. That does two things. One, gives the consumer a little bit of confidence. That the builder they're going with, licenses and registration, ticking all those boxes. And also that the builder is committed to a level of quality and customer service. And finally, the exciting part, which is all the innovation and those products that make pool ownership, a really enjoyable experience. And really that's what it's all about, giving the consumer a point of reference to get some confidence as they go through this process.
And you as a pool industry work together with suppliers like Maytronics who do all the pump filtration system, the sanitisation, the mineral swim, the robot. There's a lot that Maytronics make, which many people wouldn't actually know about, but you can go back to them once a year and say, hey, the feedback from our customers is that they want a bit more of this or a little bit less of that. And can you help them even steer their modelling for their products?
Yeah, that's one of the central platforms of the actual Elite Builder program, is that we have a group of builders like-minded, and we actually get together and we share all those inputs, and then we can give that feedback to a very innovative supplier that will take that and then bring it back to the market. So it's a great platform to bring market feedback into a supplier. And creating that connect with the consumer.
So innovation, there's obviously like driving force for change, there's collaboration with all the leading, I mean, that's who I want building my pool, right? That's who I want, the leaders of the field that have gained almost like an accreditation in some ways, because you can't just buy the Elite Builder, can you, right?
No, and there is, there are some check boxes that the builders have to go through. And again, we come back to that license insurance, being in the industry for a little while. Yeah. We do see a lot of people sort of pop up and then unfortunately, fade away.
Yeah.
So that's just, again, giving that consumer that confidence that the builder they're going with, is there for the whole process, start to end. And give them a product that's just going to sit in the backyard for generations to come.
And if you're in the Northern Rivers of New South Wales, you can go to Dynamic Pools and have a look at all of their portfolio there. But wherever you are in Australia, if you go to maytronics.com.au, you'll find that list of the Elite Builder Network there. Grant, thank you so much, mate. Fascinating and well done on the... I was expecting a slightly bigger pool to have a swim in today, but we'll make do,
Not a problem. You can jump in. Great to see you again.
Thanks, John.